Friends, good evening. I welcome you all to this post-market analysis after the budget. So let's see what's there for tomorrow. It's budget or no budget. That doesn't make any difference for us to take 10 to 15 points out of the market. So let me begin this with a small disclaimer. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst or an advisor. Before taking any decision about the trade, so please consult your advisor, your financial advisor. Now let's see what's today's market scenario. Market opened gap up. After having a gap up, the market opened above R2 and it was open high. Nifty came down and again it bounced back. I did not take any trade for first 15 minutes. So I marked the high and low of the first 15 minutes candle and I was waiting for a candle to break that high or low. Finally, at around 9:45, I was able to see that day's high was broken with a small candle. So what I did, I took a trade on options, 17,500 call option at 9:45. The price at that time was 244 rupees. 244 rupees. As it is, the premium is very high. 244 and 231 was my stop loss. So my target is 1:2 and almost 13 points. 13 by 13, that is 26 points. 244 and 26 is 270. 270, I was able to easily achieve that 270 around 10 o'clock and 7 minutes. I was able to easily achieve my target. So I was able to take 26 points out of today's budget session. I'm very much thankful to our finance minister. Dear friends, please subscribe to my channel and also hit bell icon. Please give comments on my analysis. Now let's begin with put call ratio. Call open interest is 15,47,654 and put open interest is 11,73,961. Put call ratio is 0.76. Still, it is much lower than 1.1 or 1.2. So there are all the chances for this market, even after the budget, to go up. All the traders are so confident that market will move up. Now let's go to the chart for further analysis of the day. Let's see what's there in the basket tomorrow. As per the pivot analysis, tomorrow's resistance is fixed at 17,717 and support is at 17,340 and it's a wide CPR. Tomorrow we can expect a sideways market. However, if there is a huge gap up or gap down, then we need to analyze the market again after 15 minutes of opening. Now, as per the weekly chart, the candle closing above 21 EMA and 50 EMA. But on a daily chart, still both the EMAs are together. And in hourly market, 21 EMA is below and 50 EMA is on the top. So still it has to reverse for the market to go up. Maybe we can expect this reversal tomorrow and let's hope for good. Guys, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. Please comment on my analysis. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.